Around 5,000 people on La Palma in the Canary Islands have been evacuated to escape the erupting Cumbre Vieja volcano. The eruption started on Sunday afternoon, and officials said about 100 properties had so far been destroyed by lava. The 4 villages evacuated included El Paso and Las Llanas de Aradane, with temporary shelters set up to house displaced residents. Lava was still flowing at 700 meters (2,300 feet per hour) on Monday, according to the Canary Islands Volcanology Institute, but mostly through unpopulated areas. Canary Islands President Angel Victor Torres told locals to stay in your houses on Sunday after people from all over the island were blocking roads trying to get close to the volcano. It is not foreseeable that anyone else will have to be evacuated, he said. Right now we have evacuated 5,000 people, and around 100 homes have been destroyed, said Lorena Hernandez Labrador, a councillor in Las Llanas de Aradane, a town several kilometers from the volcano. Images showed slow-moving lava creeping down the mountainside, pockets of flame erupting as it rumbled ever closer towards a group of homes standing just meters away. Elsewhere, piles of glowing lava surged onto the patio of a house. Describing the scene as desolate, La Palma's top official Mariano Hernandez Zapata said the lava on average about 6 meters high. This tongue of lava is engulfing everything in its path. It's tragic to see how many homes have just gone up in smoke, he told Spain's public television. There was huge anguish among the thousands of people evacuated from their homes, with many wondering if they would have anything to go back to. Don't forget to subscribe to keep abreast of the most important natural changes on the planet.